Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a Future Builder in Flutter Android. A Future Builder is a powerful widget in Flutter that enables developers to handle asynchronous operations and update the UI accordingly. It simplifies the process of fetching data from APIs or performing computations in the background, allowing the application to remain responsive. Let's see the main.dart file. These are the imports. First, we create the stateless widget called MyApp in the main function. This is the MyApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called MyHomePage. This is the MyHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _MyHomePageState. This is _MyHomePageState class. Here we will design our app. This is a string data member of type future_string. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The AppBar attribute is set to the AppBar widget. Here we specify the title of the AppBar. The body attribute, we have a center widget. Inside that, we have a column widget. In the column widget, we have a Future Builder. The future attribute is set to the string data member we have called item. In the builder attribute, we design our future UI. Here we have two arguments: a context and a snapshot. Snapshot provides us with the data that is asynchronously fetched from somewhere. So first, we check if the snapshot has some data or not. If the snapshot has some data to provide, we get it and design a text widget and show that data in it. Else, we return an empty text widget. So initially, we will have an empty text widget on the screen. Then below this Future Builder, we have an elevated button widget. When this button is pressed, we call the getData function, which provides us with some data. And we store that data in our future string data member called item. This is the getData function. It has async written over it because this function is going to perform its task asynchronously. In this function, we purposely create a delay of 5 seconds, and then send some string data. This gives us a feel of calling an API and waiting for the result. So when the button is pressed, this function will be called. Here we wait for 5 seconds and send some string data. That data will be caught by the Future Builder, which will then create a text widget for us and show this data. Until then it will show a blank or empty text widget. Let's run the app. As you can see, we have a button on the screen. And there is a text widget right above the button, but because it is empty right now, we cannot see it yet. Now I will press the button, and after 5 seconds, we will get the IT Walla text written in the text widget via the Future Builder. See, it worked. So that's it. That's how you can implement a Future Builder in Flutter Android. Thank you.